Hey everybody, it's your Corvette buddy Lyle here in CNS Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It is Saturday and Sunday, and I am here working alone, the way I like it on the weekends, and I am working for you guys, believe it or not. I am putting together all of our cool displays and doing all of the pre-pricing and everything of the items we're going to be bringing to Carlisle. Our Carlisle spaces are going to be IF 87, 88, and 89. And that is basically just less than 100 feet from the main stage at Carlisle. So if you find row IF, look for our red CNS Corvettes flags. We'll be there for you. And man, I'm so excited. It's going to be a lot of work to get this done, to get the trailer loaded, but it's worth it. And as you guys can see, I got more stuff to talk about. Let me take you for a little walk of what I've done so far. So as you can see, guys, we've got quite a bit of stuff here. I've got a couple of sets of C6 infrared taillights. I got extras on the park lamps and the taillights for C5s. Got a bunch of C5 air dams I'm bringing with me. And then we've got a whole ton of lighting. This is the C7 version of the C6 headlight for your 05 to 13. Bunch of those coming. I've got a couple of the Morimoto Lamborghini style headlights for the C7. I have a bunch of the C8 style headlights for the C6 ready to go. And one of the things I'm really excited about, and these are super cool, I'll show you them in a second. I've got all these boxes here, and you know what those are full of? Those are full of the C8 style taillights for the C7 with a bunch of cool sequential features and stuff. Now, this is the C5 rack that I've built with the lighting, all the inventory, all the prices. And then we come over here, the C6 rack with the Morimoto fogs and the taillights and a bunch of other cool lighting options. And right over here, we got the C7 rack with side markers, rear reflectors, and of course, those super cool C8 style C7 lights. And those are going to be probably our biggest seller of the show. They're just super cool. They do come in smoked form as well, but most of the ones I got are red. I am really excited about this. And I'm going to continue to build displays all through tomorrow and all through the end of the week. But we are coming and we hope to see you there.